Hello, boys and girls. This is for math, topic 2, lesson 6. I am on page 47. I'm going to share my book with you. Take a look. Again, this is page 47. What I want you to try are these two problems. Remember, when you get a graphic or chart or a table or whatever it is, read over the graphic first, read over the information here, then read the questions, then go back to the table, okay? I want you to try these two problems. So go ahead and stop this video, try those two problems, and then come back and let's go over them, okay? These are good problems. Yes, so go ahead and stop the video. Okay. Here we go. Welcome back. How did you do? Let's take a look. So you read the table. You have kind of vehicle, the week, how much, this is how much per week, and how much per day. Look at the question. Corinne wants to rent a small white car. It will cost the weekly fee plus 30 cents per mile. Write an expression that shows the amount Corinne will owe for her car, then solve for 100 miles. Notice two things are being asked of you. Write an expression is one, then solve. So let's write the expression first. I'm going to slide this up. Good. I think we're okay. She's renting a small car for a week. It is right there, $250. Notice the fact that the car was white had nothing to do with it. So it's a small white car. So it's $250 plus she's going to pay 30 cents per mile for how far she drives in the car. However, I want you to start writing your money like this versus that. The cent symbol we don't use much anymore. So here's 30 cents per mile, M for mile. That is the first part of the question. That is, write an expression that shows the amount that she owes. That's it right there. That's the expression. Then it says, now solve for 100 miles. So come over here and go, oh, M equals 100 miles. Now you can solve for 100 miles and you go 250 plus 30 cents. You substitute or plug in the value. Okay. Then look, it's a decimal, which we reviewed in the other lesson, being multiplied by 100. When I multiply this number is going to get larger, which means the decimal is going to move to the right. How far is it going to move to the right? I look over here and I see 2 zeros. So it's going to go whoop, whoop. That is now $30, correct? So you have $250 plus $30, because how far you drive. This now equals a total of $280 that Corinne will pay to rent the car. I want to do another one. Ready? Let's do number 26. This is number 26. Ready? Trey is renting a luxury car for a week and a few days. He does not have to pay a per mile fee, so there's no per mile. Write an expression that shows the amount Trey will owe for his car. Then solve for an 11-day rental. So he's renting let's get that mouse out of the way. Trey is renting a luxury car. There it is. There it is. So his is $325 plus, let me see, he's going, it says for a week and a few days. A few days, but you don't know how many days. But you do know that it's $120 per day. I'll put D for day, right? So, okay, then I give myself a note. This is a little bit different. Were you fooled? 11-day rental. He rented the car for 11 days. Now let's solve for 11 days. Careful. You do not put 11 days right there. Because remember, this represented a week. That is a week. This was 7 days right there. That is 7 days. That is 7 days. So I'm going to keep that, 325, but it has to be 11 days. So what does D represent? How many days? That's right, it's 4. So you have 120 with 4 days. Okay? Now what you want to do is bring down your 325. You can pull this over to the side for your calculations. 120 times 4. Sorry, I'm off the screen, guys. There it is. 120 times 4 days. I brought the 325 down. I'm going to bring this over to the side and do my calculations. It's 480. I'm then going to bring the 325 over here. I'm going to add them together. I find out that it's going to cost $805. Okay, send me any questions that you might have. I will see you in class. Some of you, I'll see you in class real soon. Others, send me any questions that you have.